Hey you guys, Tootsie the Elf here. We're on to day 8 of our 12 days of Christmas. There's no place like home, especially when your home is the North Pole. While Santa's location is a bit of a secret, and it's really chilly and nobody wants to visit, that doesn't mean you can't bring a little bit of the North Pole home to you. To start this project, I have a chair baluster. You can get any kind that you'd like. I'll put a link in the description below of where I got this. I also have a 1x4 that's just a scrap piece, a scrap 1x2. I have a scrap melamine board. It's 8 inches by 9 inches. And then I have these 2 scrap pine boards. The first thing I want to do is I want to create a base for my chair baluster. This is going to be my pole. I am going to cut out my 2 scrap pieces of pine, and I'm going to cut them so that they're layered on the bottom of my chair baluster, just like this. Let's get to that part first. So I just went and I cut my 2 pine boards. I've got this one that's slightly bigger than this one, so we're going to layer that on top. And then this goes on the top of that. And I feel like it's still missing a little something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 1x4 piece and I'm going to cut pieces to go around the bottom of my baluster like that. You could just do square joints or butt joints. I'm going to try and miter my corners for a finer look. So now I have the bottom of the pole all cut out. Let's focus on the top of the pole. Now I have an awesome vinyl decal that I'm going to put on this piece of melamine, and so I want it to hang from the top of my pole. But first, I need something to attach it to. So I'm going to take that scrap 1x2 I was talking about, and I'm going to set it up here, and that's how I'm going to hang my sign. But first, I need to attach this piece to the pole. So to attach this piece, I'm going to use this pocket hole jig. And when I'm done doing that, I'm going to sand everything. That's awesome, you guys! Now let's get it put together. I'm going to put it together using wood glue and nails. To attach the whole pole to this base, I'm going to countersink a hole in the bottom of my base right here and screw it into the pole. I think this might be my favorite project. Let's take it inside and paint it and get it all finished. Done, I like to give everything a good seal. This is the product that I like to use on all my projects when I finish with them. I'm loving this North Pole. I hope you guys like it too. If you like this video and this kind of content, I recommend you subscribe to Plot Design's channel. She's got lots of woodworking ideas and she's lots of fun to work with.